Good morning, crew. It is currently 0400 hours. I'm getting ready to go pick up the welding machines. Let's get to it. As I mentioned, it is currently 0400 hours here in Los Angeles, California. Wonderful, nice, cool morning. Very happy about it. And it's just wonderful. It's nice and cool, finally. So going to be getting ready to go pick up the welding machines. That is both the Miller Trailblazer Airpack 330 as well as the Miller Suitcase Arc Reach 12. Very excited to pick them up today. I'm getting the chains loaded up right now in the F-150 to take over to the yard to put in the F-350 and then to head on down to MPB Welding Supply and pick up the welding machines. Going to be chaining down the Trailblazer Airpack 330 and just going to get that back onto the yard, make sure it's safe and sound. And I want to say thank you to MPB Welding Supply. They asked me if I wanted them to put the welding machine together, and I had no clue how many parts and pieces it was in. And so I said, if y'all would do that, I'd really, really appreciate it. And so I double checked with them, and they do have it all together. It was put together a day or two ago. So thank you again to MPB Welding Supply. I really appreciate that because I'd have no clue what I was doing putting the welding machine together. I'm sure there'd be an instruction manual, but I'd rather them put it together than me. So I'm very happy about that. Thank you again. I highly, highly appreciate it because I'd rather not be the one putting it together. So going to be getting ready for that. Going to eventually be filling up the Trailblazer with gas. I'm not sure if that's going to be today or not. Probably another day. I have other stuff to get going for the welding rig. So I will fill up the thing with gas later just to make sure it works. All that good stuff from the manufacturer. And as y'all know, I do like double checking that things do work when I get them. Or if there's an issue with some things, I like getting it back as soon as possible, get either replace or return as soon as possible, so that way things just keep flowing nice and easy. So I will be doing that very, very soon, but I'm very excited about that. Want to give y'all an update, and I'll be continuing to update y'all throughout the day. Just very excited about it, and I can't wait to get that critter in the 350. It's just very exciting. So hope y'all enjoyed. Stay tuned. There's plenty more to come today, and I'll see y'all in a little bit.